Stepping up your game in the world of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a successful business tactic that many companies use to boost their sales and to acquire more revenue. Businesses take advantage of affiliate marketing to increase advertising as well. If you want to use affiliate marketing, then pay close attention to the helpful tips in this video. Securing reciprocal links is a modest but important step in any profitable affiliate marketing program. Website owners should always do what they can to get a link from their affiliates back to their own website. Such links are doubly desirable because they not only increase the utility of the affiliate program, they also improve the website's standing in search engine results rankings. Keep affiliate marketing sites organized by tagging all of the posts. Tags help visitors find the content important to them. It also helps search engines understand which keywords are relevant to the site. Make the tags as descriptive as possible in order to generate traffic to the site and increase profits. Pay for a professional logo. It's worth the investment to look put together and professional. If your web page and logo look like you did it yourself on a Saturday night after dinner, your customers will notice, and they may not want to put their faith or money in the hands of someone who doesn't look like they know what they are doing. First impressions count. If you have a lot of followers on online social networking and microblogging services, then post about your affiliate product and include a link. Only do this if you think the product will be useful to your followers, as too many self-serving posts could cause you to lose your followers. Remember, every follower you have on a social networking site is a potential customer. If you are going to make cash through the affiliate marketing industry, it is important that you know who your audience is. If your website is about trumpet mouthpieces, then you probably will not make very much profit by advertising for vacuum cleaners because your audience is not in the market for a new vacuum. Catering directly to a product's market is the best way an affiliate can make a sale. Since affiliates work off of sales commissions, there is an inclination to try to market the product to as large an audience as possible, but this is a failing formula. Stick with the niche market and promote the product strongly. As an affiliate marketer, your reputation is directly linked to the reputation of the company whose products you are promoting. This means that you need to choose your company wisely based on more than just the products offered. You need to check on the company's reputation to make sure they're viewed favorably. As stated before in the introduction for this video, affiliate marketing is a very successful business tactic. The tactics that companies use to boost sales and revenue while increasing advertising. If you use the affiliate marketing tips in this video, you can take advantage of it and use it to boost your company to unparalleled success. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or no SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, You will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.